cerebellar. Yeah, you have here your basilar artery, di ba? Duha ka vertebra is fused together to form your basilar. So, one branch of basilar here, you have your anterior inferior cerebellar artery. Kani siya. Then, kani siyang tree there, you have your pontine branches. And next, this one, you now have your superior cerebellar artery. Then further this one up, you have your posterior cerebral artery. Posterior cerebral artery. Ayan. Okay. This one would now be your internal carotid artery. Internal carotid. So going laterally or kanisya, you now have your middle cerebral artery. The middle cerebral artery. And you have an artery there expected o di kay klaro. Going anteriorly, you have the anterior cerebral. Kay maklaro, anterior cerebral sila. Then you have a small artery here na connects sa duha ka anterior cerebral. So we call it artery nasher. Anterior communicating artery. The anterior communicating artery. Anterior communicating. Then this one that goes towards your posterior cerebral. So you have your posterior communicating artery. Your posterior communicating artery. Ano, locus? Posterior communicating artery. Okay.